What's going on, everybody? Foz Power Washing. No, Moises Foz with Foz Power Washing on this beautiful, cold Monday morning. It's about, I think 7:30 or 8 o'clock in the morning. And I'm about to go and do this concrete cleaning job for this storefront. It's actually, it's going to be a free job for this storefront owner. It's a sports bar, and over the weekend I saw that he had some concrete buildup, some concrete grime. So took it upon myself to go offer him my services free of charge, so I get some good before and after pictures. But this morning, what I want to show y'all is my our updated setup that we got going on for the F250, and well, let's get into it. So it's pretty much the same setup as my original video. The only difference is the machine and how it's pulling the water. So let's get into it. So first off, well, we'll just talk about how it's set up. This is the 275 gallon tote is in the back, of course, and this is a machine that we're using for all our commercial residential jobs. This is a Kohler 14 horsepower, 4,000 psi, 4 gallon per minute beast. I love it. We picked it up off of from Washmart over there in Kema, Texas, by Marco. He's a pretty cool guy. If y'all around the Texas area, around the Kema area, Houston area, definitely, go check out what they got. It's pretty cool. So this gear drive machine, let me show y'all this way. So of course this is a machine, and then right here in the center is that gear drive. So that gear drive allows us to pull water from our tote easily without having to force feed it, and it's just, all in all, it does a pretty good job. Right here is our inlet for the water, and that's stretched out all the way back there to our outlet of our tote. So right there, that black one, the connector's got a cam lock. It's a 90 degree with some quick connects, and then a cam lock that's on the 3/4 hose. Let me go this way. So this is that 3/4 hose that wraps around to the front. We got I'm not sure if this is like a banjo filter, but this is just a filter for for any debris that gets into our tote that we don't want getting into the pressure washer. This is a filter for it. And then move this out the way, and then this is the outlet for the tote. So it's just this is cam lock right here. I think they're called gator locks, and then to a bunch of reducers, to hard piping, 90 degree PVC reducers, put a cam lock on there, and then to our 3/4 hoses. So bam. That's what we got going on. I mean, we added these little PVCs to put our guns and whatnot, but that's really the main thing that's changed from our setup. Let me show y'all kind of the backside. So we got it plumbed up over here to where this is our bypass. So when we're off the gun, it's not heating up the pump, and it's just ran all the way over here. So this is our bypass bulkhead. So any water is always circulating, and it's not heating up the pump. And then this is how we're filling up from our tote. This is just the bulkhead right here. Got about 100 feet of water hose, and then it's just a pressure hose up here, the 50-foot, to hold it down. And that's pretty much it, guys. I mean, I know some of y'all were asking to kind of show the updated setup that we got. Oh, and we keep a pressure gauge here just to make sure that we're on pressure. We got good pressure all the time. This is the whip line. We just we mounted it down here, and we put a just an extra precaution valve, I guess, whenever we whenever we have problems with our downstream injector, we're able to just push that down. That's closed with the machine on. Everything's closed. So if our downstream injector goes out, we're able to push this valve down, close it, and then just switch out our downstream injectors right here if they go bad. But other than that, I mean, it's still pretty much the same setup. It's only the machine that's changed pretty much, and some of the plumbing. Easier access to fill up this tote with water, and just easier just kind of procedures to do, in case your downstream injector goes out, in case you blow a hose, because I remember one time we were on a job and a hose busted on us, so we're able to just shut that off and then switch out the hoses. But all in all, the truck's a little bit dirty. That's all right, get it cleaned up. But yeah, everybody, like I said, Moises Foz with Foz Power Washing. That's our updated setup. The main goal is to go to flatbed. I believe flatbed, it's just a lot better access. All in all, it's just a lot better access. And I like how flatbeds look on a truck, especially aluminum flatbeds. So that would be awesome. That's my goal. But anyways, y'all, this is an updated setup. Foz Power Washing, Moses with Foz Power Washing. Y'all like the video, subscribe, share. Peace.